everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable geolocation in Chrome. So let's get right into it. Click the three dots in the top right corner, scroll down and go to Settings. In Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Select Site Settings, scroll down and under Permissions, select Location. Here, select Don't allow sites to see your location. Another way to turn off geolocation in Chrome is to go to the search bar on your computer and type location. Select Location Privacy Settings. Here you'll see an option that says Allow apps to access your location. Turn this off. Just know that this will disable tracking for all apps including Chrome. And that is how to disable geolocation in Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might need this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.